Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will try to explain you how to increase your borrow limit in your Cash App. There are a few methods how to do it. First of all, you can click your profile icon on the top right, then scroll a little bit down and go to limits, and you can see access higher limits. You can get higher limits and access other features by verifying your identity. So first of all, you can try to verify your identity. You need to enter some information, for example, your social security number and other details, guys, and you will get higher borrow limit on Cash App. Also, you can do another thing, guys. If you use Cash App constantly, it will automatically increase your borrow limits. And the last one, guys, you can, guys, again click the profile on top right, scroll all the way down and click support, then go to the chat, and right here you can ask to the support if you are eligible to increase your borrow limits, and they will give you some information what you should do to increase your borrow limits, guys, on Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.